In the Configuration Escort, under the Shares ETFs tab, you can make the following settings. Firstly, the default order size. This is the suggested order size for positions opened outside of the risk money management function. Secondly, in AgenaTrader++, you can use the rounding function. The example shown here means that the calculated order sizes that are smaller than 300 are rounded to the closest 20, and order sizes that are larger than 300 are rounded to the nearest 100. As an example, 277 units would then be rounded to 280, 323 units would be rounded to 300, and 365 units would be rounded up to 400. With this function, you can turn off the risk management for this asset class, shares and ETFs. Under the Forex tab, you have the same settings options as previously displayed under shares and ETFs. So we won't go into more detail on that here. Under the Futures tab, in addition to the previously described functions, you also have the following selection option. If you select the checkbox, Show Rollover Alert, then a rollover alert is shown if one of the major futures is about to be rolled. This means that in the field below Show Rollover Alert, you have to define the appropriate warning time here, namely in days. If you enter a 3 here, then the rollover alert box is shown 3 days before the major future is rolled. The rollover alert looks like this. In the pop-up table, the day of the month on which the rollover takes place is visible. If a rollover day is located within the time period between the number of days before you wish to be informed of the rollover, then this date appears in red. If the expiry is in the past, then the field appears light red. And if the future has already been put into the next contract, then the field here appears in green. By clicking on the symbol, you can access the details window of each instrument in the instrument Escort to be able to change the expiry.